Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is day 2 of Vlogmas and I am going to surprise my sister at college. So I saw her last week, 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna go visit her in college. I was gonna surprise her, but I wanted to make sure she was there. I am not surprising her, but it'll still be cute. She is like an hour and a half away from me, and me and my friends are gonna go, and it's gonna be fun. I think she's having Friendsgiving. Don't know if I'm invited, but if I am, can't wait to eat the food. That's what this vlog is gonna be. It's gonna be super fun, and I'm gonna get Taco Bell. I'm so excited. Haven't had it in forever. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking, and we're just gonna get into this video, because it's gonna be a good one, I promise you. Okay, let's get in. Let's get into this video. Here is my outfit. I'm wearing this cute shirt. It's from Forever 21, and I'm wearing these jeans. Of course you can't see them. They're like ripped in the knee, and they're from Fashion Nova, and I don't know what shoes I'm wearing yet, so yeah. Hi. Oh my god, it's dark. Let's go. Oh my god. Yeah, I know. Put it inside. Someone's in.
The destination is on your right.
Hell yeah, it is. Can I have a Crunchwrap Supreme, a beefy Frito burrito, a cheese quesadilla with no jalapeno sauce, and a medium Baja Blast soda? Thank you. Yeah. I really hope this is her house. Hi.
Oh god, you're vlogging? Yes. Hi. Hi. Wow. Oh wow.
Wait, did you guys go to Taco Bell?
Yeah. Oh my god. This is so cute.
Oh yeah, you haven't really seen it.
Mm-mm. Oh my god, that's me.
Aww.
Like, how strict are they to get a look over?
You guys friends? No. I don't know who they are.
Cute. So you're gonna be like, wait, it's fine.
Wait, I don't like this, like, okay.
Okay, I think we got one.
What the hell?
I don't know. Hi guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Ew, we're bored. Doing nothing. But it's okay. Wait, what? Wait, that girl's in my grade too. They're both in my grade.
No, it's so bad.
Hi. We're still in the same spot. We haven't moved yet, but like that's okay. And it's 5 o'clock, but you know, it's okay.
She said Chick-fil-A is closed. It's Sunday.
Yeah, it is.
Why does it close on Sunday?
Because they're like religious.
Oh, yeah. Oh really?
Yeah. You're like, love that.
Wait, what? Like, I know.
Bye, sister.
Hi.
See you in like 2 weeks. A week. Just kidding. 1 week. Hi guys. Dino, focus. Sorry. Hi guys. So we just went to Applebee's. We just went to Applebee's.
If you didn't hear her, we just went to
We were just at Applebee's.
And it's a little foggy out.
I feel like, should we do a Celine Dion impression?
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you.
That was so good. Oh my god.
Turn! First things first, I'll eat your brains. Then I'ma stop right, and I'm all up in the bank.